The person who hit snooze this morning, that wasn't you. That was your weaker self. And he's been winning every single morning. You don't need more motivation. You need new rules. These are the 4 morning rules that will end laziness forever. Rule 1, the 5-second rule. You think laziness is about not wanting to get up. It's not. It's the gap between alarm and action. Those 5 seconds you spend thinking, that's where you lose. Every time you wait, you're not resting. You're training your brain to break promises. You're practicing weakness. So tomorrow, when the alarm hits, feet on floor, no thinking, no negotiating, because discipline starts the moment you wake up. Rule 2, the power of ritual. Stop getting ready for the day. You're already in it. Brushing your teeth, making your bed, your coffee, that's not routine. That's rehearsal. How you do the small things is how you'll do the big ones. If you can't organize your morning, don't expect to organize your life. Pick 3 actions, same way, same order, every day. 0 excuses, 0 negotiation. Rule 3, do what you avoid. The hardest thing in the morning? That's your training ground. The workout, the cold shower, that tough message you keep delaying. Whatever makes you hesitate, do that first. You'll never feel ready. There is no right time. There's just 6 a.m. and whether you let your weaker self win again. Rule 4, become the rule. After a few weeks, you won't need motivation. You'll move before you think, because discipline won't be something you do. It'll be who you are. Tomorrow morning, that alarm will ring. 2 paths: hit snooze, repeat the same story, or move and start a new one. The choice is yours. Your next chapter starts at dawn. Don't negotiate with it.